Wall collapses during construction work in Noori Shah area. No casualties reported. During the construction of a house in Noori Shah area under BandlaGuda police station limits, the wall of a neighboring house collapsed, causing panic among the local residents. As soon as the incident was reported, representatives of the Barkas numandiya corporator Hafez Patel reached the spot and took stock of the situation. Fortunately, no casualties or injuries were reported in the incident. It is important to adopt safety measures during construction work to avoid such accidents. Further investigation is underway.
साहब नहीं वैसा नहीं एक तो गवर्नमेंट का है आज महीने तो भी सुबह पैसे भी आना हो